Most people think aging eyes are inevitable. That waking up with dryness, blurriness, that gritty feeling, it's just part of getting older. But what if I told you your kitchen already holds the secret to repairing your eyes while you sleep? And no, I am not talking about expensive supplements or eye drops you need to use 6 times a night. Just simple, ancient drinks that cost pennies to make. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which drink to sip tonight so you can wake up seeing the clock clearly. Reading the newspaper without squinting. Maybe even driving at night again with confidence. So let me ask you, have you ever woken up and thought, why do my eyes feel worse than when I went to bed? Here's the hard truth, after age 60, your eyes stop healing like they used to. While you sleep, inflammation silently attacks your retina, blood vessels stiffen and choke off oxygen, and tear glands dry up like a dessert. No wonder you wake up feeling like you've got sandpaper under your eyelids, or that frustrating morning blurriness that takes hours to clear. But here's what most doctors never tell you. What you drink before bed is either accelerating this damage or finally giving your eyes what they need to heal. Let's start with the most powerful, golden milk. This isn't just some trendy latte. This is 5,000-year-old wisdom. When you combine turmeric with a pinch of black pepper and coconut oil, the curcumin absorption jumps 2,000%. My patient Roy, a 68-year-old retired teacher, told me after just 1 week, "Doc, I could read my wife's recipe cards again. No more holding them at arm's length." Recipe: 1 cup warm almond milk, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon coconut oil. Drink this 90 minutes before bed and let the golden magic work. Now you think you know chamomile tea. But when you add 1 sprig of rosemary, a 2022 study found this combo doubles the apigenin that relaxes your eye muscles. The one strain from screens all day. Critical step: steep for 10 full minutes. Less won't work. More tastes bitter. I drink this myself every night at 9:15 p.m. like clockwork. Here's the secret weapon for night vision. Just 3 threads of saffron in hot water. Studies show its crocin compound opens retinal blood flow better than any supplement. Warning: never use boiling water -70 C or 158 F max, or you'll destroy the healing compounds. Last, the ultimate moisture lock. Imagine this: soaked almonds, a date for sweetness, and one game changer, cardamom. That tiny spice kickstarts tear production while you sleep. Pro trick: blend with ice for a frothy texture that feels like a luxury. Here's your step-by-step plan. 8 p.m., saffron water for circulation boost. 9 p.m., Chamomile-Rosemary as muscle relaxer. 9:30 p.m., golden milk fights inflammation. 10 p.m., almond milk seals in moisture. Never drink these within 30 minutes of bed, or you'll undo the benefits with bathroom trips. Tonight, choose just one. Sip it slowly, let it work. Then tomorrow, come back and tell me, "Dr. Porter, my eyes finally feel alive again." Because you deserve to wake up and see the world clearly.